The North Carolina General Assembly has made some significant changes to the rules and the laws, and so we have to comply with those. All of us do, and it's for safety. That's what backflow is all about, is safety. As far as the frequency of testing goes, commercial is required to be done annually, and residential for years have been, in Fayetteville, it's been every other year. But recently, the North Carolina General Assembly has made some changes to those requirements, and so now Fayetteville is moving to a 3-year frequency for residential testing. Please feel free to call Fayetteville PWC's customer service line, and they will direct you to the appropriate personnel, which is going to be my team, and we will definitely do all that we can to answer your questions and concerns.